Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the unexpected store exception blue screen error on Windows 11. First, click the Windows search bar, type command prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If you see the User Account Control window, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter: DSM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This command checks the Windows image for corruption and downloads healthy files from Windows Update if any system files need to be repaired. Wait until the process reaches 100% before moving to the next step. Next, type the following command and press Enter: SFC/Scano. The system file checker scans protected Windows files and automatically replaces any damaged or missing files with correct versions. This scan may take several minutes, so let it finish without closing the command prompt. After that, check your storage drive for file system errors by typing CHKDSK/F/R. Then press Enter. If Windows says the drive is currently in use, type Y and press Enter to schedule the scan for the next restart. Restart your computer and Windows will automatically scan the drive, repair file system errors, and attempt to recover data from bad sectors. Thanks for watching.